Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this special session. The session is entirely on Stellarium. So if you have another question, and you might have another question, my suggestion is we can probably we can ask it, but we're probably going to defer that question for another session or for another meeting or something like that. So we focus mainly on Stellarium. So as I mentioned in the message that you guys have received, that we're going to go through the software itself. I would recommend that you go on YouTube and find what other people have done with it, how you can look at it, how you can explore it, how you can set it up for your own purposes. What you will get from me basically is how we're going to use it in this class mainly, okay? In a nutshell, summary, you will be given instructions on a step-by-step on what to do, okay? And what happens when you find yourself in a point of the instructions where it tells you you're supposed to look at it and see this, and you don't see what you're supposed to see. So what should we do in this case? I mean, the easy answer to that is reset everything, okay? Restart the program and go back to step-by-step. You should be in that position, okay? Granted, and I didn't know that my computer, at least this computer, because I have another one, that this computer was outdated a little bit. I mean, the software I was using is version 0.20 point something. And today I actually updated it to the newest version, okay? So it might change from version to version, but for the purposes of this year, it should work for us for the current version. Down the road, if you come back to these instructions, and you would want to modify them for your own purpose, or you would want to basically refresh yourself with how this software works so that you can use it for your own personal uses, you might need to take that into account. The fact that the versions change, they really don't change that much, honestly. But if you find something out of place, you know what to do, okay? You have to take that into account, okay? Let me make sure that we're not disturbed and we're not, the door is locked. Anyway, so let me do two things. Let me go to the web version. I checked the web version, and it is absolutely 100% similar to the laptop, to the phone version, to the mobile version. So let me launch the mobile version on my phone to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, where is Stellarium in here? It should be here. And here it is. On the phone, it's called Stellarium Plus. Okay. So this is, oh man, the light is probably, is there light coming from outside on the screen? Hold on, let me allow more people in. For some reason, there is one person who is at least in the waiting room, and I'm trying to add him, but he's not joining us. Anyway, so this is how it looks like, and now you're looking at the reflection of the screen here. Okay, can I turn off the screen in here? Or maybe hold on, I do the other camera like I normally do, and see if I can project it using the camera on, like we did yesterday and the day before. Okay, so let me go into cameras and change cameras. And so this is better than the first one. So this is really how it looks like on screen. And when you hit the mouse, it gives you, one of them is the clock. And you can change the clock, but not by much. For one thing, you can change the clock by moving this cursor, okay? And it gives you the clock, but it gives you only within 1 day, okay? So it doesn't really, so you really have to change the date by hitting the date again and change, let's say, for example, on November or October 9th, okay? Now you can actually also do the same thing, okay? But that's how you're gonna simulate it. So if you're gonna use the phone version or the desktop version, this is basically the constraints that you're gonna be running into, that the simulation here, and then you have to zoom out to see exactly what's going on. So that is one thing. So, and that is actually for the, can I click in? Now, the menu also you can access from the top, okay? And that is where you change your location. Right now it's picking up my location and it has these coordinates, and I have the auto location on it, depends on where my phone is, okay? So if you're joining us, I'm just going briefly through the phone version of this software and how it works on my phone. Okay, so your phone probably is going to be using this is an Apple phone, so an iPhone. So on a Android, it may look slightly different. So if you have it on your in your phone. So now you have this menu in here. One of the things it asks you in this activity is to turn off the, oops, I got a message. It tells you to turn off the location. Okay, right now it's on and off. So, and it tells you to use a shortcut. And we're going to talk about the shortcuts. Also, the constellations now are on or off. Okay, the grid is a location basically with respect. This is a limited. So this is one of the things also the atmosphere. Okay. And that depends also on why the atmosphere is important, because sometimes you would want to simulate your location based on the pollution in your area. Okay, and this is basically right now it's at midnight, actually the clock, on October 9th, 2021. So that's how the night would look like if I'm looking at it in this direction of the west. Okay. And that's basically, so I zoomed out so much, now I need to zoom back in, okay? And so that is basically the phone version of this. So let me switch cameras back to here. Okay, so I'm going to go briefly through the web version and tell you its limitations. I'm also going to talk about the Chromebook, not exactly solution, but something you might explore if you're using a Chromebook, because Chromebook, I heard from some of you guys, and actually I researched it and it's true, you cannot install Stellarium on it, okay? However, there might be a solution that you might want to explore. No guarantee that it's going to work, and you have to approach it with a little bit you have to be extremely careful with it if you're going to use that, and I will tell you what that is. And then we're going to go to the desktop version, pull the activity, and do the activity, okay? So that is basically how we're going to proceed with this one. So let me share with you the web version. Share Stellarium, the web version. Okay, I have different the other one is not running, so it's fine. Okay, so you should be able to see a website. So let me pick up the chat to make sure I have everything here. Do you guys see the website?
Yes.
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, the way I accessed it is, okay, all I have to do is go back to Stellarium again. So this is what happened when you go to the website, stellarium.org. All of these things, the different versions we mentioned before, okay? This is the one that I'm going to click on it. I'm going to right click on it and open a new tab, just to leave this window open so that we come back to it. So here is basically how it looks like when I first open it. So if in case you're lost and you have no idea where things are, and things don't look too familiar, and the day probably has changed so much, and now all of a sudden you are in December 8th, for example, and you have no idea where things are. So what you do in this case, hit the refresh button, okay? It should take you back to your starting point, and it should take you back to the day. Today is September 9th. The problem with it right now, it's picking up 8 o'clock p.m. I don't know why it does that, okay? Honestly, when I looked at the web version and also the phone version, it does not pick up the clock. The clock right now on my phone, it says 9:12. Yet for this one, it's picking up a different clock. So if you want to look at the time where you are supposed to be, make sure the clock changes correctly, okay? This uses the military time. So you have to go back to the proper time. It's 9 o'clock and 12. minutes. So it's 9:12. And now the seconds are ticking correctly, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so now we are looking at the northern sky. One of the things that they tell you to remove is this thing. This is not how where I live look like. I'm not in a farm, okay? So, but that's basically a stock picture. So what you do in this case is you click on this one where it says landscape to remove it. And they ask you to remove the landscape. At some point also, you'll be asked to remove the atmosphere. Again, this is related to the pollution, just similar to the phone application. And it's actually removing the effects of the shadow of the sun. Now, you're looking at the north, and the application tells you to look at to change it to the north because the desktop version defaults to the south. So you're going to turn your view to north. Now, you cannot use the shortcuts. So everything I've been using right now is a mouse. So if you happen to be in the south, looking at the south skies, I'm using actually the mouse and clicking and not let go of the click until I find the position I like. So this is basically what I am at. If you look straight up from the north, that is Polaris. One of the things that is nagging about the web version is this thing in here, okay, on the side in here. It's not giving you the whole view because of this thing. So we probably have to get rid of that, and I will show you how to get rid of it. But one of the things that is interesting in here is that it gives you some of the different settings that you might change on this, but probably leave it as is, okay? Planets tonight is going to tell you what you can see tonight and the about and the credits and all of that. So we're gonna get, and this is where you can go and download the desktop, the mobile version. Now the mobile version is exactly what you're looking at the web version. So it's limited. So the phone version that I have on my phone is limited. And I remember I paid for it. Honestly, I don't remember if I paid $2 or $3 for it, but it was not too much, but I paid for it for the phone version, for the mobile version. So you might consider doing that, especially if you're going to use it extensively and you will be out in the field and you have your telescope. Few months back, about 2 months ago, me and my daughter and basically we went to the whole family, actually we went to Joshua Tree, and of course there is no internet in there. As a matter of fact, even the phone did not have internet, but for some reason when I opened the app it worked and it grabbed my location and it was able to tell me everything that I needed in there. So we were at night looking at the sky and looking at some objects in there with the telescope, and we took this, which I had the phone with me, so it saved the day basically. So you might find it interesting to go for the app for the mobile version, but I would not recommend it in the beginning until you are really at ease with it. And you have at least either binoculars, powerful enough binoculars, or even a cheap enough telescope to look at a lot of objects in the sky and enjoy, among other things, the things you enjoy is the Milky Way itself, okay? Which is a beautiful sight to see. So at this point, I'm going to click in here to get rid of it. It's gone. Furthermore, I'm going to go in here where it says full screen. If I click full screen, now it gives me the entire screen and I don't see anything else but just basically Stellarium right now. I have it in full view mode. One of the things that you can clearly see in the night sky is Polaris. This is the North Pole, the North Star. Basically, it has different names, okay? But it's the same thing. This is the one that does not change. Now, at some point, it asks you to animate, but you cannot do this one very well with the software. So because it's limited to only 1 day. So I'm going to go 1 day, and as you can see, the sky starts to move around Polaris when I'm zoomed on it, okay? So everything revolves around it because the Earth is actually spinning. So, and at some point, it asks to find the sun. So let's go back into today's date, and let's see if we can find today's time. Can I type this one manually? No, I can't. So you have to go with the mouse in here. So it's 9 o'clock, 9:12. And we are yesterday. So I want to go back to today. Okay. And this is how the northern skies look like. So it's asking me to find where the sun is. Okay. So I needed to zoom so much because the sun is high in the sky. But I cannot really do more. I can zoom in, but I cannot zoom in and see more of the sky. So there is limitations, and that is because the phone also has a limited window, and you can only see basically one object, maybe two at the time at most on the phone. So there are limitations, definitely limitations on what you could do with the web version or the mobile version. Both of them are the same. As far as I can tell, they're identical, okay? One of the things, of course, you can control is the constellations. You can turn on the constellations, and even you can turn on the art, basically the different shapes in here, if you want to, and how they are related to their basically the mythology and things like that. But like I said, it's very limited. But you can track objects, and you can track them in time. Can you change location? You go to near, and right now it's found me here. So I'm going to look for El Centro and hit enter. I tried to do it manually, but I tried to do it basically with a mouse, and it did not work well with me. So basically you have to find it, search for it. Once you find it, you do it, and then you say use this location. Now the location has changed, okay? There is not much difference between, I mean, 140 miles is not really much difference, okay? So it's really very small slight changes in the night sky. So, but if you are looking at a different location, okay, let's try, for example, Sydney, Australia, then definitely. So if I'm planning to travel to Sydney and I want to see what I can see in there, and it found it, okay? So it found it, so I'm gonna use this location. The night sky actually changes a little, okay? So the objects change in the night sky. Let's look at Uranus, for example. No, Uranus is here, okay? Let's focus on Uranus and go back into our location, El Centro, and hit enter. Once you type the name, you have to hit enter and use this location. So where is, it already went from here to a different location. Where is it? Yeah, it went down, okay? So again, just keep tab on this thing. So if you want to change locations, there is only some things you can do. Let me do something else in here. I don't know, honestly, because some of these things. So I'm gonna look for position on Mars. Search, and it found all kinds of nonsense stuff for me in here, okay? Mars, Iowa, and things like that. So there is definitely limitations, and I'm gonna show you that this is, so there is a city called Mars, apparently, okay? Near in, what is that, Iowa? Yeah. So you can do things, but not as well as you can do them with the, so let me get out of this mode, or let's stop sharing the screen. No, I need to get out of it too. So this is how I go back into the, and stop sharing. So what I'm saying in here is that there is definitely limitations on the web version, but you can use the mouse and you can do some work, okay? Basically, the web version and the mobile version are practical in a sense that I'm traveling somewhere, like I told you my situation about a couple of months ago, and especially there is very limited access to resources. I did not have my laptop with me. I didn't have anything. The only thing I was counting on in my phone, and sure enough, it worked. It was able to get me the night sky, and they were able to get me a lot of things that I could see. And because I was in actually Joshua Tree, if you have ever had the chance to go to one of those parks, you will see that there is very little or no light pollution whatsoever. So the night is so bright with the stars. There was a lot of stars in the night sky. So it's a little bit tricky trying to find your night, basically your objects in the night sky, because the brightness of different stars in the night sky will be so, first of all, there's too many of them, and it becomes a little bit hard to find the objects that you're looking for unless you have one of two things. You either have a chart properly calibrated for the location where you are, and also for the date when you are, the time when you are. Then you can identify things. So in lieu of that, there is the phone version, which is really the mobile version. So it acts as a chart really for the night sky. And to simulate that chart and give you the position of the object, and with the click of a mouse, you can search for an object and it tells you which way to turn your phone. So there is actually an advantage for it doing it that way, okay? So that is really how this probably can be used. Not as much, honestly, for a for what we are doing, for the purpose of our labs and so on and so forth, okay? So what I did then, I looked for, because I know the people who have Windows and the people who have Macs, they don't have a problem. The problem was Chromebook. As I suspected before, Chromebook uses a flavor of Linux. From my research, it says that if you have a version of Linux, of a Chromebook that is version 69 or higher, apparently you can install a Linux app, and you can then go back to the link and find the link for the installer. You copy the link, and then you have to use the command. So there is a step-by-step process on how to do it on a Chromebook. So what I'm going to do is now is ask those who are using a Chromebook, I'll send them the link with no guarantee that it might work. Okay. So the first thing they have to do is upgrade their Chromebook OS. Once they do that, then they have to follow the instructions on how to install, in general, a Linux app on their Chromebook. Once they do that, they should not have a problem. Once it's installed, they should not have a problem. There is no guarantee it might work for one thing. And the other thing that I have to tell you up front is that you might approach this one with a complete, basically, caution. Well, you have to approach it cautiously. The reason why I'm saying that is because if you're going to tinker with things, one of the things it asks you to do is to trust other apps that are not in the store from Google. And this is an app that I myself trust, okay? So you have to be careful with this statement in here. So once you trust that, then it's going to install in your computer. Hopefully it does successfully, and then it works. So I'm going to send you the link if you want to follow the steps, and hopefully it's going to install successfully. I didn't do it myself because I really don't have Chromebook, but I hope to hear from you guys and see what your experience is in terms of the installation and so on and so forth, okay? For some reason, one of you guys is sending me messages saying that she couldn't receive the link. Okay. Anyway, the point being in here is that this is the solution for hopefully the people who are on Chromebook. Okay, there is a requirement that you have to update to a later version. Okay, once you do that, then you can download. There is actually a video that I'm going to also send to the people, and again, with no guarantee that things might work. Okay, so but at least hopefully you can get that thing and test it. From YouTube that I found from somebody basically enabling the GUI installer on Chromebook from a Linux, and that's actually tricky. So if you're not tech savvy a little bit, you might have difficulty. You might need to really approach this one with a lot of caution. So because the first version that I'm going to send you the link to is going to be a command driven. So you have to use the command sudo, okay? Which is, if you're familiar with the Linux, that's actually an elevated account to use so that you can install stuff. So hopefully you can do that with command prompt if you're familiar with it. If not, the second link I will send you is actually going to allow you to install the GUI driven, basically the mouse driven way of installing things, and hopefully that would work. So one of the two hopefully would work for you. In either case, I'm really hoping that you guys also will be on board with us. Now, if you cannot do that, the only thing I can tell you is the web version, which is limited, as you can see, but you have to control it. So with the web version, the way that I would recommend you do, because you will see with the Windows version or the Mac version, you can easily let time fly by. And seconds become so fast I mean, hours happen in seconds and days happen in a few minutes, and actually happens in seconds if you want to, depending on the speed. So you can see the thing moving and you can zoom out and you can see a lot of things. With this one though, with the web version or even the mobile version, you have to do it manually. So you move the mouse from the beginning of the day to the end day, and then you change the day, and then you move the mouse, and you have to track the object manually. So there is a little bit more labor for it, okay? And there are things you cannot turn on and off, and there are things that you cannot change with ease. So there are this limitations that I admit, but hopefully the application, the down the road, basically the instructions that I'm going to give, I'm going to see if I can simulate these things for you guys before I actually do it, and see what kind of limitations we're going to run into when we do this. Okay, so for this part now, I'm going to share with you two things. First of all, I need to launch Stellarium. So I'm going to minimize everything in here and launch Stellarium from one of the screens so that you guys see how it launches, okay? So I'm going to go into the sharing. So I'm going to go into the sharing mode and launch Stellarium. And once it launches, you will see it. Okay, so I'm going to go into a share, first of all, and choose one of the screens. Share, screen one. So you guys are going to look at the entire screen, okay? And I'm going to find Stellarium. I'm using this as a second screen, so I'm launching things from the other screen, Stellarium. And once I have the app, okay, hopefully it's going, oh man, it's running from this computer, from this screen. What is it? No, I don't want it to be here. I'm sorry. I was hoping that you guys will see it. Okay, so let me stop it again and share with you this screen now, because apparently it's this screen that is acting where I, so let me stop sharing. Let me move, zoom to this screen now, and let me do the same thing. So again, I'm going to share with you the screen where I know now it's going to happen. So it's going to be on screen 2, actually. Okay, and let me move this out of the way. So right now, you probably are looking at the Word document. Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So again, I'm going to go into here, Stellarium, and I'm going to run it. So this is how normally it should launch on your machine, okay, on your computer. And I'm going to move the chat out of the way. So do you guys see it in full view mode?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So as I said before, it defaults to the south. Okay. That's fine. The instruction says, if I can find it now, the instructions are actually in a Word document that is buried underneath. So I need to see how I'm going to get it. One thing that you can do is fix this one on one side and fix it on the other side, so that you don't have, when you go out, you don't have to worry about it being lost in here. And I need to minimize this. What is that button in here? I don't want to close the whole thing. Here, okay. So I'm going to click this one in here to bring it into, and let me move this one out of the way, because I need to get the instructions from the Word file. No, that's not the one that we did last time, did we? Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so let me move this one out of the way so that we do the activity together. And let me bring this one into view now again. So you guys are looking at the same thing as I was saying before. Okay, so the first thing that says in here, it says press Control M to put your north celestial pole at the top of the screen. Currently, the NCP is approximately positioned on the star Polaris. So if I click Control M, Notice what happened if I hover over things, okay? This says Control Q. How do you see it? Just watch in here in the pop-up that is going to pop up. So every time I hover over a command with the mouse, it gives me the shortcut, the keyboard shortcut. So if I hover over this one, it tells me quit. Basically, that's what you're doing. You're going to exit the program. And if you do it, the version for it is Control Q. This one is L. Remember, it tells you to increase, it tells you to hit L several times. If you don't have the shortcut, or you don't know what the shortcut is doing, this is basically what it's doing. It's increasing the speed every time it's doing it. Right now, the clock is ticking at this normal rate. It's 9:32, 01, and so on and so forth. But if you click on it, it's going to speed up. This one, let's say, for example, you changed your clock several times to a different time, and you would want to come back to the current date, the current time. This is what you do. This one will pause the time or start it. Right now, it's paused, okay? It's not changing. As you can clearly see, the time is still fixed now, okay? This one is it's going to go back in time. Apparently, you can go back 100,000 years from today. Isn't this amazing? 100,000 years. That's a long time ago, when even modern humans did not evolve properly in Africa. So at least according to the studies that I have seen. So it's still too early. So it's interesting to see what happened then, okay? And this one, you can go forward in time just short of that. So you can go 100,000 years from today and see what the night sky will, how it looks like. Again, this is for the satellites. You can turn it on and off, satellites hints, so you can remove it. But look at the shortcuts. The point in here is the shortcuts. This is for the meteor, look for one, or the show them or don't show them. And again, we saw what this one does. But the point I'm saying in here is look at this pane in here, this place of the window in here, what it's doing. The minute you hover over something, it tells you what the shortcut is. So those shortcuts that you see in the instructions, they're borrowed from this one. So instead of telling you to do this, so next time what I will do in the instructions, I will replace, or at least give you both, the keyboard shortcut and also the mouse click thing. Because if you're going to do the web version, or if you have the mobile version, you probably are looking for something and you would want to, instead of the shortcut, give me what it does so that I can do it, okay? So I'll give you that, okay? Which is no more than just that thing in here. So right now it has the planets labels, and in here, this is basically at some point it's going to ask you to remove the atmosphere, make it basically night all the time if you want to, and remove this thing in here. One of the things that we definitely have to choose is the location. Right now, the location is picked up from my computer. So I'm going to go to, again, El Centro. So you can find your location. This is the best way of finding your location, by the way, is typing it. Because there is another way of doing it, actually, and that is to scroll down. It takes forever, okay, especially if you're where you want to go is starting with a different name, and it's similar to so many of them. So if I go in here, try to find El Centro, I have to go very, it's not easy, because if I try to drag this, it's gonna move faster. And I really want it to be just, so it's very hard. So the best way to do it actually is just type the thing, okay? El Centro, and before you complete the whole thing, it's going to basically give you the choices. Right now, there is one I tapped El Cent. How about El Cent? Up to this point, there is other places in the United States and Colombia and somewhere else also in the world that has also L. In this case, it has Del Caesar. That's why you see LCE. But we just want El Centro in the United States. That's the place we want. Okay. So now, if I click out, this is where we are, the location of where we are. Okay. We are on Earth. Because believe it or not, this one can take you actually to a different location too. You can go to Mars if you like. Okay. And if I go to Mars, this is the place I can go into Mars. Mars position 2, Mars position 3, or Mars position 6. So how the night sky would look like from Mars. Isn't that interesting? Obviously, there is no greenery things in Mars, okay, so I have to fix that. So if I do that, there is another option. I will show you what it is, but let me go back to our central. Okay. If I do Mars, really, one of the things I have to fix is the landscape. Landscape right now is just taking this, what is it, Gara? Is a small French village in the valley of, what is it, Sawan? I don't even know what that place is, a river. Okay. And it's submitted by this guy. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So you can change it to Mars, actually, okay? So if you happen to be in Mars, you can put Mars there and the landscape, and it will be an interesting place on how to see things. At some point, you may go outside on your place if you use it that extensively and take a panoramic picture of your region, and you can actually upload that to your software. And that becomes your actual view, how things actually look from, let's say, for example, you have a telescope in your backyard, and there is a tree on this side, and there is actually probably a fence and maybe the neighbor's house. So you take that picture and you put it as your as your background, as your landscape. Then it will tell you. I mean, when you put that, when you go outside, you actually will see exactly what's behind the tree and what is coming off of a tree, what is in the tree, what is on the side of the neighbor's house. So you really can have that. So it has really some nice features that you can do on your own. You can put your, but it has to be a panoramic picture. It has to be side completely, basically 360 degrees, and you can superpose things enough so that you can do that. For right now, I'm going to go back into Guerin, which is, doesn't matter, but we're going to get rid of it anyway. So right now, this is the view when you launch the software. If I look at the instructions, and hopefully you guys have the instructions we open right now from campus for the activity from week 2, okay? And this is what we're supposed to do. It says Control M. So I'm gonna go in here and hit on my keyboard, press the Control key. On Windows, on a Mac, it's a command, by the way, okay? So if you happen to have a Mac, it's not Control anymore, it's a command key. So on a computer, on a PC computer or Windows machine, you're gonna go the Control and then the letter M in the same time, okay? Okay, it's not doing it. Okay. Yeah, okay. So the north, and then press G to remove the ground. So if I press G to remove the ground, Control M again. Is this a Control M? Yeah, this is a Control M, basically. Switch between equatorial and azimuthal mount. That's basically what that is. So right now it's on, right now it's off, okay? That's the Control M. Let me do the other one, the part of the instructions, it says G to remove the ground. So if I hit the letter G, you don't have to do things in capitals, by the way, just leave it as is. The lowercase g should do it. So G should remove the ground for me. Another option for removing the ground, where is the ground? Here, is just to hit the mouse key. So here is the mouse key. And it's the same thing as G for ground, okay? Now it says press A to turn off the atmosphere. If I do this, A for atmosphere. Okay, again. I'm going to press A and it's gone. Or hit it with a mouse, A for atmosphere. Okay, it's the same thing. So I could use the mouse. I'm using the mouse, or I don't use the mouse and hit the A to bring it back or remove it. Okay, so both of them. So, but it says to hit it once to remove it. So we removed it to turn off the atmosphere. And then hit the letter Q to turn off. Some of these ones in here are difficult to do without the mouse. With the mouse. So you have to probably use the shortcut. Like this one, this labels north, south, southeast, and all of the symbols in here, north, east, south. So the shortcut for them is Q, not Control Q. Control Q, remember, will kick you out of the software. So Q by itself, okay? They're gone. Q to bring them back on, okay? Okay. Some of this instructions may be for an older version, so you have to be careful with this ones in here because these things, as I was saying, may change. Okay. Now use the mouse to move your view until you find the sun. So we're going to use the mouse to find where the sun is, and here is the sun. Okay. Okay. And I probably would want to zoom out a little. Okay. So if you don't like that, just zoom out, because the picture, if you can clearly see it, has more stuff in it than if I have it in there by itself. So I have the sun in view, and then it tells me press L about 6 times, not exactly 6 times. So I could do L however I tell. Remember, right now it's paused, so I have to turn it on again. So this was the time. So if I hit L several times, this is the mouse shortcut for it. So I'm going to do L once. You see things are moving. Twice. 3 times. Things are definitely moving now. 4 times. 5 times. 6 times. It becomes dizzying. Okay, so if it becomes too much, I hit K to slow it down. Okay, to go back. To stop it, okay? Press L to stop it, hit the letter K, okay? So you go back in here, stop, set normal time. Now, if you look at the clock right now, the date in here, it's telling me I am on November 14th, because the clock went so fast. I'm November 14th. This uses military time. It starts with the year, the month, the day, and until it gets all the way to the seconds, okay? So the year is 2021, the month is 11, which is November. The day is the 14th of November. The time is 5 o'clock in the morning because it uses military time. 13 minutes and 57 seconds. Okay, I really need to go back to today, okay? Here is today. So you hit the key in here to bring it back to set to now. And that is 8, actually, the number 8 on the keyboard, okay? Now, again, hit L about 6 times until you see the sun moving steadily against the stars. Note, you can slow down by hitting the letter J, okay? So 6 times was too much for this computer, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's too much, okay? So it's not really, you guys see it changing so much, especially probably with the refresh frame on the screen. From Zoom, it may even be ridiculous, okay? Is it too fast?
Way too fast.
Okay, so I'm gonna do J to slow down a little, and even J once is not doing it for me. So again, now it's probably better. Okay, here is the sun, okay? And it's better, okay? So 3 times was better for me in here, so don't do it too much, okay? Don't go too much, okay? So you want to be a steady motion. Even that is too fast, but this one is too slow. So probably I need to go L once, okay? So again, watch for this kind of little details, depending on your graphic card, depending on how much power you have in your video, basically, and the refresh rate and things like that. It may be too much 6 times, okay? So you may need to slow it down. If the computer has a lower, basically, graphic card, not a gaming card, you may have to speed it up. So depending, basically, on the situations. So that's why the instructions were not really exact numbers in here. They said about. And turns out for this thing in here, 6 was too much, okay? So even 4 is a little bit too much. This is about 4, okay? 3 slows down drastically, okay? So we are in step 2, basically, part A from the instructions. And it says, move your view to follow the sun and carefully absorb its observe its motion. So we're going to find where the sun is. Try to stick to this view in here. So this is the sun as it's moving, okay? And observe its motion. That's all you're supposed to do. And watch it, what it does. Look, it's not just, look at the stars, the planets. Jupiter, Venus, Mars, Saturn, and Mercury. And Venus is actually up front in here. in front of the sun. Look, they're all on the same line, as if the sun and everybody are going into the same thing. That is the ecliptic, actually, because at some point we're going to turn it on. Okay, so that's all we're doing right now, just observing things. Okay, so if you're curious, trying to find where they are, they're going to set in the west later on. They're coming down on the other side. Okay, they're all following one another. So Mars fell, Venus fell, and sure, Jupiter is going to fall after that. Uranus is following them. Okay, so it's not too far, but it's very far in the background. And now the sun is setting. Mercury, and if I want to, I can capture them actually going around in this circle. So basically, that is the whole point in here for this part. Let me press Alt-P to turn on and off the label of some of the other objects that move against the stars. What are the objects that move against the stars? Okay, let's go into the Alt-P, okay? Alt-P, those are the planet labels. So I can either click the mouse or do what it tells me to do. So I'm going to do Alt-P, okay? So right now, I only have the stars, and where is the sun? Okay, let's turn it on again. The moon. Okay, here is the sun. And I turn them off, okay? By the way, it's completely dizzying. This is as if you are in empty space, okay? I need to go in, and this is the Milky Way, okay? Press V to turn on the constellation names. So I'm going to turn on the constellation names, but I can see here they are also. It's the letter V. So I can turn on the constellation names or turn off the constellation names. So turn on the constellation names. Now you can see their names. And press C to draw the constellation lines. Press C to draw the constellation lines is this one. That's C, either the letter C or click the mouse, it doesn't matter. Now I can see the shapes clearly of the constellations, okay? This should be helping me in getting so I'm still ready. And draw or R to display at the artwork, okay? So we can do also the R. This is the R for the artwork, okay? I usually don't like them, honestly, because they become too much in this case, okay? I'm going to remove the R, okay? They give you the option. You can also show the sun's path of the ecliptic by hitting the comma. So if I hit the comma, which is next to the letter M, if I hit the letter comma, you see now the line that shows up, that is the ecliptic, the yellow line. You will see where the sun path is and where the planets are. If you're not sure about the planets, just hit back the names of the planets, and you will see that Mercury, Uranus, and other planets, they are all actually on the same ecliptic, okay? Jupiter, Venus, more or less, okay, Saturn, and that is the plane where everything lies. Okay, we talked about this one in the sun moves on the lines of the zodiac signs. You have Cancer in here, you have Leo. That's basically the ecliptic that goes through them. Virgo, and so on and so forth, okay? So those are Libra. You have all of this are the signs of the zodiac. That's where the ecliptic cuts through them all, okay? We talked about this one. This is the 13th sign of the zodiac. And you have Sagittarius, okay?
But wait,
so
what about the zodiac signs in Hawaii?
I don't know about this. I didn't hear about that. I will probably have to explore it, look for it. This is the Pisces, Aquarius, and so on and so forth. Okay. So again, this is, of course, today is daytime. So Pisces, you cannot see this constellation. You have to wait 6 months from now to see it at night. Okay. This is where the sun is right now, 10 a.m. Okay. So these are the so-called the signs of the zodiac. And if you turn in the shapes, which is basically the R, this is basically the different one, the Gemini, the Twins, the Cancer, and so on and so forth, okay? Leo, the Lion, okay? So, stop the motion, press K. Here is another way of stopping the motion, or K, one of the two. Okay, so I'm gonna press K to stop it. And then click on the sun and hit the space bar to keep the sun centered. So where is the sun? Here is the sun. Another way of doing this one is double click on it. So right now, if you click on it, and what does it say? The space bar, it's centered. Another way of doing this one actually is double clicking on this one. So if you don't know, just double click on it. So you have two options. Either find where the sun is, where the object is in general. It's not necessarily the sun. So if your object was, for example, Saturn, that is the object. You have to click on it and hit the space bar, or double click on the thing with the mouse. It's the same thing. Okay. Now the sun is centered. So it's not going to go out of view. It's going to stay in view out completely. So speed up the motion again by pressing L about 6 times. We're not going to do 6 times. Okay. We're going to do about 4 times. So L once, oops, I'm back into, I'm sorry. I was typing in my, I have to be careful to do the mouse is in the right place. I typed it in the Word document that I have open in here. Okay, so we're here. So it's centered, L once, but I have to draw this one. So now the sun is basically moving. So this is 3 times. It looks like it's spinning because of the fact that we are on the sun now, okay? Speed up the motion about 6 times to see the relative motion to the stars, how the stars change positions basically with respect to the sun, okay? So this is about 4 times, okay? It's kind of dizzying right now, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna slow it down a little because it's really not, okay? Another way of doing this, so let me stop this one in here. Again, go back to today and stop this. I can actually pull out the clock in here and change the date. Okay, so right now in September, I'm gonna make this one today is December, okay? So, and what happened to the sun? We lost it. Here is the sun, okay? So right now it's in December at this time. And if I change this date in here to, let's say, for example, it's going to be in February. It doesn't matter when what year it is. So now it's going to change constellations clearly, okay, from constellation to constellation. So you can control this one manually, actually, and change the month, okay? And you will see the sun in different times. So this is May. This is June. This is July. This is August. This is what you would do if you're using the web version, okay? This is what you would do if you're using the phone version. You can just change the month. And because that's too fast for it to happen on a month to month. So right now I'm gonna go back into September 9th today. And then we're gonna go back into October. So now we are in the Virgo. Now we're going to go into Libra. This is November. And we're going to change location from constellation to constellation to constellation. This is actually easier, honestly, than the instructions